Want to make your text look smooth, clean, and professional? In this tutorial, I will show you a powerful text animation technique that instantly upgrades the look of your videos. Let's get started. First, select the Type tool and type your text. Then, go to the Properties panel. Choose a font of your own preference. I am using Poppins Semi-Bold with a font size of 100, but you can use any font you like. Next, align the text to the center. Now, go to the Effects panel. Search for the Transform effect and drag it onto the text layer. After that, search for the Crop effect and drag it onto the same text layer. Then, go to the Effects Controls panel. Keep the playhead at the beginning of the timeline. From the Transform properties, turn on the Position keyframe and slightly move the text downward. Now, move the playhead 16 frames forward and reset the position value back to the center. Next, move the playhead back to the start again. Turn on the Opacity keyframe and set the opacity value to 0. Then, move the playhead to the middle of the position keyframes and reset the opacity value to 100. After that, select both position keyframes and apply Ease In and Ease Out. Now, select the last opacity keyframe and apply Ease In and Ease Out as well. Next, uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. Now, duplicate the text layer based on the number of words in your text. For example, my text has 3 words, so I duplicate the text layer 3 times. Then, place the layers one after another on the timeline. Now, select the first text layer. Go to the Effects Controls panel and select the Crop effect. Crop the text so that only the first word is visible. In the same way, select the other text layers one by one and crop each layer to show only one word. As you can see, the text is now appearing word by word with animation. To make the animation look more realistic and natural, I will add a few more sentences and crop them in the same way. As you can see, I have created another sentence using the same method. Now, make sure all the text layers are the same size. Do the same for the other sentence layers as well. Next, select all the text layers and nest them together. In the same way, select the layers of the first sentence and nest them as well. Now, select the first nested layer. Go to the Effects panel, search for the Transform effect, and drag it onto the nested layer. Then, go to the Effects Controls panel. Place the playhead at the point where the full text is clearly visible. Turn on Position and Opacity keyframes. Move the playhead slightly forward. Move the text upward and change the opacity from 100 to 0. Now, select the Position keyframes and apply Ease In and Ease Out. Then, select the Opacity keyframes and apply Ease In and Ease Out as well. Uncheck Use Composition's Shutter Angle and set the shutter angle to 360. Next, select the first nested layer and copy it. Then, select the second nested layer and choose Paste Attributes. Play the animation. At the point where the first sentence becomes invisible, position the second nested layer. And that's it. Your smooth text animation is now complete. This style is perfect for clean, modern, and professional videos. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials for beginners. Thank you for watching.